Your bank account isn't shrinking because of one big mistake. It's being bled dry by 1,000 tiny cuts you don't even notice. You feel like you're doing everything right. No new car. No big vacations. You didn't even touch that big screen TV during the sale, and yet your money is still evaporating. Today, we're dragging the silent budget killer into the light and showing you exactly how to plug the leaks before you lose another $5,000 this year. Let's start with the most deceptive part of the trap: small everyday purchases. People call them ant expenses, tiny, almost invisible costs that when they march together, carry away a huge chunk of your income. That $5 coffee on your way to work, the $15 lunch because you didn't have time to pack one, the $3 vending machine snack when the afternoon slump hits. On their own, they're nothing. It's just a few dollars. And you're right, it is, but it's a few dollars every single day. Let's do the math. Live. That's almost $5,000 a year, money that could have been an emergency fund, a vacation, or a real investment in your future. The danger isn't the coffee. It's not treating yourself once in a while. The danger is the pattern, the mindless, automatic way these purchases happen until they stop feeling like decisions at all. We swipe, tap, click, without a second thought. None of these cuts are fatal on their own. Together, you bleed out. The first step to escaping this trap is making these invisible expenses visible again. But while you're actively choosing that $5 coffee every morning, there's another trap running in the background, one that doesn't even require you to leave your house: zombie subscriptions. Streaming, music, gyms, software, meal kits, beauty boxes. You sign up for a free trial, forget to cancel, and boom, you've paid $14.99 a month for 18 months for something you used exactly once. This is how companies trick you into paying for things you don't even use. Most people have no idea where their money is actually going. A widely cited C+R research study found people think they spend about $86 a month on subscriptions. Their real number, closer to $219. That's a $133 gap over $1,500 a year, quietly vanishing because nobody's tracking it. 74% of people say it's easy to forget these charges even exist. These are zombie subscriptions, financially dead, providing zero value, but rising from the grave every single month to take another bite. They prey on your inaction. Autopay means they need zero effort from you to keep feeding. A $10 charge here, a $15 charge there, no big deal. But stack 10 or 15 of them on autopilot, and you're looking at hundreds of dollars a month leaving your account without your active consent. So we've covered the what daily buys and forgotten subscriptions. Now, the why. Most of our spending isn't logical, it's emotional. We don't just buy things, we buy feelings. That impulse buy isn't really about the item, it's about the small hit of dopamine that comes from knowing a package is on the way. Basically, your brain is hacking your wallet. Here's how to hack it back. Marketers know this. Limited time offer. Only 3 left in stock. These lines are engineered to trigger urgency and FOMO, steamrolling your rational brain before it gets a vote. And this feeds a bigger trap: lifestyle creep. As income rises, we feel we deserve more. The coffee becomes a fancy latte. The apartment gets upgraded. Each step feels small and justified, but the cumulative effect is your expenses rising to meet or beat your income. You earn more and still feel broke. You've just built a fancier prison. A bigger paycheck only bought you nicer chains. If any of this is hitting close to home, you're in the right place. If you want to keep learning how to take back control of your money and build real wealth, subscribe and hit the notification bell. I want to hear from you. What's one subscription or spending habit you just realized is draining your account? Drop it in the comments. Your answer might be the wake-up call someone else needs. We've diagnosed the problem. Now let's get out of it. This isn't about depriving yourself, it's about being intentional. 3 steps. Step 1. Track everything. Make the invisible visible. For the next 30 days, track every dollar, every coffee, every renewal, every impulse buy. No judgment, just data. At the end of 30 days, you'll be shocked. That awareness is the most powerful step toward change. Step 2. Run a subscription audit. Go zombie hunting. Pull your last 3 months of statements, line by line. For every recurring charge, ask, did I use this in the last month? And does it actually add value? No? Cancel it, right now. Every subscription you kill is an instant pay raise. Step 3. Create friction. Plan ahead. The trap loves convenience. Fight back with friction. Use a 24-hour rule on impulse buys. That delay is often enough for the emotional urgency to fade. For daily habits, plan ahead. Pack lunch the night before, brew coffee at home. Make the right choice the easy choice. Bonus, Step 4. For those who stuck around, the cash-only weekend. If you really want to feel how much you're leaking, try spending only physical cash for 48 hours. No cards, no taps, no autopay. When you have to physically hand over paper, the friction becomes 100% real, and you'll notice every single purchase in a way your debit card never made you. Conclusion: this isn't one big mistake. It's a slow, quiet erosion built from hundreds of small decisions. The coffee, the forgotten subscription, the impulse buy, all working together to keep you stuck. But once you see the trap, you can disarm it. Small leaks sink great ships. Every dollar you reclaim is a dollar toward what actually matters: paying off debt, buying a home, traveling, investing, or just having peace of mind. It starts today, one intentional choice at a time.